My wheels just arrived. I'm gonna go ahead and mount them now. My CR250. It's a 04. Last of the two-strokers. This bike I hardly ride for obvious reasons. But I was running the Maxxis Surecross in the front, and I had Pirelli Scorpions in the rear. But the rear is 19-inch stock, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with the Kenda Millville 2s front and rear. 18 120 100 by 18. The stock one is a 110 by 100 by 19. You can get a little bit more width, a little bit more sidewall. I'll see you guys when I'm done. I forgot to mention I'm going to be running this IX Heavy IRC tube. I've got to tell you guys, this tube is like the greatest deal on the planet. It's $20.99 at the motorcycle shop at the dealer. Yes, the dealer. This freaking tube is so thick and heavy duty, I can't believe it. For 21 bucks, you will not go wrong. I'm gonna run a tube in the front, and I'm gonna run the tubeless system in the rear. Tubeless. Yeah. I had the front and rear with tubeless, but I didn't like the front with the tubeless. I did like the rear. So I'll see you guys when I'm done. Just a quick tip. You ever get into a situation where no matter how much you try to keep pushing it in and pushing it in, it won't go in? Well, get your inflator or your pump it up, then pull your core out. It'll seat itself right inside perfectly, and it'd be just like a dream. Aloha. The big thing here is you want to make sure when you inflate it, you want to make sure your tube doesn't get in between your bead lock and the rim, or you're gonna have a very bad day. So what I did was I inflated it, and with a little coaxing, it went right in like a dream, like I said. Aloha. Another quick tip is you want to make sure that your bead here goes into the drop dead center of the rim. If you're going to install the tubeless, you will find out fast, or any tire for that matter. Both ends of this tire have to be in the drop dead center of the rim. Also, what I do is I leave my tires in the sun, bake them up, heat them up, make them soft. Once you get your tire in the drop dead center of the rim, you shouldn't even have to sweat, man. You should just go in like butter, man. Easy. Easy breezy, my brothers. You have a great day. I'm going to do my install on the tubeless next. Alright. Finally did my test ride. Oh brother, this thing is some freaking traction, the grass. Woohoo. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna go ride. Weather looks cryptic, man. I don't know. But this is the Millville 2s, front and rear. See how the tread area is kind of like reinforced. They said that makes a big difference when running low air, so that you don't get the squirm and the runaway tires. But we'll see. This is a 2004 CR250. Let's see. Thanks for watching. Aloha and malamapono. Take care of yourself and others, and be righteous in everything you do. Aloha.